Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to edit Google Documents even when you are offline. So this Google document has this feature to also edit the documents and access the documents even when you are offline. Let us just quickly go to our Google Docs app. Here you can find many documents. Let us just quickly create one document by clicking this plus symbol on the bottom right. Here on the top right, you will find these three dots. Click that, and then when you scroll down, you will find this available offline option, which is already activated. You can see this blue light, which means this document is also available for offline usage. Now let us just go back and let us just save this document. Now I will just change the name of this document. Now all the changes have been saved. Let us just come back. As you can see, the new document one-to-one is ready here, and then there is this tick mark on this document, which means it has been synced for offline usage as well. Now let us just come out of this app and then let me just turn off the internet. Now let us just go back to our Google Docs app. Here you can see the document which we created is still available. Let us just open our document. Let us just try to edit our document. Remember, we are still offline. So we will just click this bottom right edit button, edit option, and we will add few things like and then we will click this save button. Now it says all changes saved. Let us just come back. Now you will find small difference here. On this new document, you can see that there are two arrows here. Earlier there was a tick mark, but there is an arrow, which means you have made some changes when your Google Doc was offline. Now once your internet is back, the Google Doc will automatically sync the changes online as well. So let us just switch on the internet. So yes, my internet is back. Now let me just refresh. There you have it. So you can find this tick mark, which means the sync has been successfully done. Whatever changes you made offline is also now available online. So this is how you can make changes on your Google Doc even when you are offline. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to post your questions in the comment section. Thank you.